The outcome of the sit and lie ordinance has many business owners in downtown Chico concerned with the future of downtown.
The ordinance, which would have prohibited people from sitting or lying on sidewalks, was voted down at Tuesday's City Council meeting. Action News Now reporter Renee Crane joins us with more. Renee.
Good evening, Alan and Debbie. I spoke with a Chico City Council member today who explained what their plan of attack is to improve the issues in downtown Chico without the sit and lie ordinance.
At the end of the day, it's all about the image of downtown Chico.
Chico business owner Ann Ennis explains her frustration on the defeat of the sit and lie ordinance.
I was so hopeful that this bill was going to pass, and so I'm just shocked that it didn't.
She says she's been dealing with vagrancy issues for a while now.
It's just horrible to come into work every day and see people sitting outside of businesses.
After months of debate over the constitutional rights of the homeless versus concern that all the loitering is scaring away visitors to downtown, the Chico City Council decided Tuesday night the sit and lie ordinance would not work. The vote was 3-2.
I just find it shocking that people who spend a lot of time in downtown Chico would vote against something like this.
City Council member Randall Stone, who voted against the ordinance, says vagrancy is only one element of the problems with downtown.
And what we've seen to date from other communities that have enacted sit-lie ordinances, they haven't been as successful as other policies and procedures.
Stone also says that there are a number of different possible solutions to the vagrancy problems in Chico.
And so the things that we're working on are clean and safe, private business improvement district, and some outreach through the social services agencies.
The bottom line, Stone says the ordinance would violate civil liberties and would be highly ineffective.
Well, the long-term problem is getting worse, very frustrating. We have downtown as an asset to the general fund, over 40%. There's nothing being done to protect that asset.
Stone says his central focus is on downtown Chico, and the council is taking the time now to ramp up their resources. Stone told me he's happy the ordinance did not pass and that it would be a waste of time for police officers to spend time on something that's ineffective. For Action News Now, I'm Renee Crane.